In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a texture to text in Affinity Photo. We'll take clean, flat type and give it a textured, dimensional feel using the built-in tools, so you don't need anything extra to follow along. Start by opening your project in Affinity Photo and making sure you're on a canvas where you can see your artwork clearly. Zoom in a bit if you like, because working closer will help you judge detail as you go. On the left side, select the text tool. Affinity offers artistic text for headlines and frame text for paragraphs. For a bold, textured title, artistic text is the best choice. With the tool active, click once on the canvas to place a text cursor, then type your word or phrase. Choose a heavier font weight if you have one. Thicker strokes hold texture and edge effects more convincingly. Scale the text up so it's prominent in the composition and pick a base color that contrasts well with your background. The base color is just a starting point. The texture effects will sit on top. With the text layer selected, head to the right side and open Quick FX. This is where layer effects live, and it's the control center for adding surface character. Turn on the effects you want, then fine-tune each one. Outline helps define the edges of your letters. Keep it subtle so it supports, rather than overpowers, the texture. The 3D effect adds depth and relief dial in a small radius and adjusts the light angle to suggest a gentle, tactile surface. Explore other options here as needed, and remember that low opacity and restrained settings usually look more realistic than heavy-handed ones. As you adjust, toggle the eye icon next to each effect to compare before and after. If your text starts to lose readability, reduce the effect strength or slightly increase contrast in your base color. When it looks right, you're done. Your text now has a textured, dimensional finish created entirely with Affinity Photo's Quick FX.